Do you know what the phrase "run the bowel" means? Would you like to learn the answer to that? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. When you're having abdominal surgery, oftentimes the doctor, the surgeon who's performing the surgery, prior to closing up the belly, is going to turn around to somebody in the operating room and say, "Let's run the bowel." What that means is they want to go ahead and literally go through inch by inch or centimeter by centimeter every part of that bowel. And there could be many reasons for that. There might be something known as adhesions, which creates scar tissue and make things stick together. There may also be a suggestion that there is a hole or perforation somewhere in the bowel, either as a result of the surgery itself or something that went on before the surgeon got in. And now they want to see, where is there a hole? Is there a leak? Is there something coming out of the bowel? And in order to determine that, they actually have to go through inch by inch, centimeter by centimeter, the entire length of bowel. And sometimes these perforations or these tiny leaks may be extremely hard and difficult to find. And that's why it's critical that if there is a suspicion that there is a leak or a perforation, that the doctor actually spend the time to actually run the bowel to make sure that there is no perforation. If the doctor fails to do that when there is a suggestion or a hint that there is a perforation, now what happens if the patient is then closed up and now they continue to deteriorate after the surgery? There is a possibility that there's leakage of contents from the bowel, which can cause a massive infection known as sepsis. And that can be deadly if not diagnosed and treated in time. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding to what goes on in these types of cases. You know, I realize you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.